What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another brand new video. Today something very different, never been done before on this channel, but definitely not gonna be the last. I am actually planning on doing more unboxing videos in the future as I buy something or come across something that is, I feel like, shareable. I don't know what the word is, okay, but I just want to share my experience with you guys. I just want to show you guys something. Now, as you guys can see there today in front of you guys, we have the new iPhone 12, and this is actually the Pro Max, 12 Pro Max, 256 gigs. There you go, the Apple logo. But the reason, first of all, let me just tell you guys that I do not like to spend money on phones or anything that is luxury. I'm a gamer, okay, guys. I just, at the end of the day, what am I gonna spend my money on? Video games and food. That's all. I don't even buy clothes, okay? You guys will not believe this. I mean, it might be hard for you guys to believe it, but I am currently using an iPhone 6. There you go, this one. And I have had this phone for 6 years. Back in 2014, when this phone first came out, that is when I bought it. It has a very emotional story to it. I don't want to share that story right now, but this is a very special phone to me. It is a gift from my father. And if you guys don't believe me, actually, let me show you guys something. Just to prove it to you guys that this actually is from 2014. This is the first picture. As you guys can see, I cannot go above. This is the first picture in my phone. It is a selfie. This is when I was in the university. Can you guys see it better? Okay, there we go. December 3rd, 2014, 6:23 p.m. That is me. I am cheesing. I didn't even grow a beard back then. What the hell? Anyways, so I figured it is finally time to upgrade to the new iPhone. And I am probably going to use this phone for the next 6 years or something. Unless something happens, I am probably going to use this phone for the 5 or 6 coming years. So let's go ahead and unbox this thing of beauty. Again, this is the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I got the gold one because my old phone was gold as well. Let me show you guys the back. Let me see if there's something I need to cover. Oh yeah, there is. Okay, there you go. This is the back. Some instructions. So let's go ahead and, do I need a knife? I think there's a flap at the bottom. Oh, there we go. Comes off very easy, I must say. And that's it. Here we go. That is the plastic. Just gonna keep it on the side over here. Okay. Wow, very nice box. Matte black. Okay, anyways. Oh my god. And there we go. That is a pretty big phone, I must say. Okay, before we take it off, let me see what else is in the box. Let's put this on the side here. Okay, so we have the charging cable, USB Type-C, the manual instruction booklet, and that's it. Apple doesn't give you the earphones or the AirPods or the charging port anymore. So that's it. Let's finally pull this off the iPhone. Okay, so do you guys see this on the sides? The glossy look. Oh my god, this is my favorite part of this phone, of the new one. All right, let's take it off finally. There you have it, guys. Let me see if this turns on. Okay, so this is the power button. What the hell? They made it so big. Okay, yeah, this is it. The power button is this one on the side. This one. What the hell? I was looking for it at the top, but wow. Okay. Okay, so there we have it. Let me set it up and then I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, while this is setting up, can I just say something, guys? This phone feels so big in my hand. It feels like a mini iPad. I'm not even exaggerating at this point. Maybe because I've been using a smaller phone for quite a while now. I did use the iPhone XS Max in between for about 2 or 3 months, for a couple of months, and then I got rid of it. But this phone feels like like a mini iPad. I'm not even lying, guys. This is it feels really, really big in my hand. Okay, guys, so I actually forgot that I have my setup, my backup in my computer, and that's what I'm gonna back it up from. That's where I'm gonna restore the backup from. So I'm not gonna set it up now. It's probably gonna take like 45 minutes or half an hour at least. So yeah. Okay, so hopefully you guys enjoyed my first little unboxing experience, just sharing something with you guys. It was fun for me. I don't know what the reaction is gonna be like, but yeah, if you guys want to see more videos, please subscribe to my channel, leave a like, and that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.